Good evening. Masyado nang tahimik eh.
Alright, okay. Hindi ko mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, a week ago, I was assigned to make or create the class prophecy for this prom, the JS prom. Here it goes. One day, I saw myself walking along the streets of Geneva Gardens. Then I accidentally stepped on a stone and it made me fall. Then, unfortunately, I fainted. When I woke up, I see myself lying on a bed while someone was massaging my aching feet. When I came to my senses, I realized that it was